Hardware. The hardware have three modules: proximity sensor, Arduino, and HESI05. Arduino is the platform as well as the board, which is connected to the IR pair down here. The IR pair is a sensory module in which it senses whether the bin is full or empty. On the screen we can see the serial port or the serial monitor where we can see the bin is empty or the full. Right now I have emptied my bin, so the bin status is empty. As soon as I put trash inside my bin, the bin status will come as full. So let's explore what are there in my hardware module. As we remember, we have Arduino module, a HESI05, a Bluetooth module, and one is the IR sensor pair. The IR sensor pair is connected to the ADC of the Arduino, and it's been placed inside the lid of the dustbin. In the previous design, which we shared in the PPT, has the IR pair at the bottom of the dustbin. But in the latest design, it's been such that if the trash has been full, then only it senses whether the bin is full or empty. So right now we can see our bin is empty. The HESI05 connects to the Android app over the Bluetooth, and user can check whether the status you can check whether the bin is full or empty. So let's see and let's have a demo how the SmartBin works. The SmartBin has been designed a plug-in module so that it can plug to any of the bin or the trash cans and make it as a smart. I am using a waste newspaper to fill that and realize as a trash inside my bin. As soon as I fill my bin, the IR sensors reads the ADC value more than 800. So as soon as it's more than 800, it will say the bin is full. So I can see my bin has been full. The same way we can work as a bin as empty. Let's move to the next module, the client application. The client application is nothing but the user application. It has two important modules. One is its own location, which has been used by the collector to collect the trash. The second one is the status of the bin. The user location has been used by the help of the reverse geocoding of TomTom API. Right now I'm connecting the SmartBin with the help of the Bluetooth module. So as soon as I click on the start button, I see the connection has been opened between my Android app as well as the Bluetooth kit HESI05. Here the data comes in a 1 and 0 format. The 1 is nothing but the trash has been full. As soon as I remove the trash, it will become a 0. That means the bin is been empty. Right now I am giving a demo for emptying of my bin. So I can see my status of the bin is empty. So the similar process we will use for filling up the bin with the help of the trash. So I have filled my bin with the trash. I can see the output as a 1, and let me go to my home screen. So it shows as full. So this is how the client application works. The next is collector app. The collector app have a 3 important part. One is its own location, the guest or the clients he has to collect, and third important is the shortest path, which is with the help of the TomTom map API. Right now I am going to the location API, in which I can see the location of the first client and the rest of the client. Right now my location is as a 1, so it's in Chitradurga, and the rest all the clients are present in the Bangalore. The TomTom map API or the route API help us to collect all this and calculate the shortest path. So this helps a lot. This saves a lot of time while commuting. The main important thing is the SmartBin is the collection part as well as the monitoring the bin part. The architecture has been realized with the help of a XAMPP server running on Windows platform, and it's been tunneled with the help of ng-norc tunneling application. So right now I'm running an ng-norc application and I am opening up my SmartBin application. I can see it's been pinging to my user service, which is written in PHP. The user service mainly gives four important things. One is the current user location. It uses the reverse geocoding of TomTom API. The second thing is the list of users or the client list. And third thing is whether the bin status, which has been full or empty. And the most important is the web routing API of the TomTom, where the user can check, or the collector can, more specifically I can say the collector can check the which path need to be taken. So I am just going to the ng-norc services, where I can check out what are the output will be like. The outputs are in the JSON form. The true and false will be for the status of the bin. The user details will be the user details, and longitudes, addresses taken from the reverse geocode, and the rest all are the same things. The future of the SmartBin will be like using a standalone module by using ESP82.6 and making it more independent of the Android and the Bluetooth thing. That's all from our side. Thank you very much for giving a chance for SmartBin. Thank you.